Once you've watched 2 or 3 leaders within Road Trip Nation, it's time to start researching the careers. From the top of our screen, click Careers and navigate to Explore Careers. Our career research page is where we can start to dive into the careers that we learned about in Road Trip Nation or any other careers that might interest you. In my keyword search box, I'm going to start typing in the title of a career I'd like to learn more about. After I've typed in my keyword, I will see a narrowed down list of careers based on my search. If I'd like to learn more about this career, I'm going to click the career title. If this doesn't look like a good list for me, I can clear my search, start again, or use my filter options on the right-hand side of the screen to learn more. My career pages show me lots of information separated by tabs at the top of the screen. First, I see Overview. This will show me information like what cluster my career is in, what pathway it's in, listed below, a summary of what someone in this career might do, and even an interactive wage map for this career across the United States. Further down on my Overview tab, I see a list of the related Holland traits for this career. Back at the top, you'll notice I have Skills and Experience tab that lists important areas of knowledge, skills, abilities, activities, and tasks. Make sure you're taking note of these items for our follow-up survey. Our Wages page will again show us our interactive map for this particular career and will give us areas to break down wages by state and city. Finally, upcoming events will show me any potential work-based learning opportunities within this career. Once I have noted information about the career, and if it's something I'd like to pursue in the future, I'm going to click the favorite heart at the top of my screen. Make sure you're doing this for at least 2 careers to complete some of your field trip activities.